Wearing my rings, my thought was I would keep them separate so I could wear them whenever and however I wanted. But in reality, in everyday wear, the rings constantly are spinning, rubbing against each other, and separating. It scratches the rings and drives me crazy. The only solution was soldering them together. But then I can't change up the style or wear them separately. When I travel or I'm at work, I might not want to wear them both. I like mix and matching my bands, but it has become a chore to keep them from rubbing against each other and keeping them aligned.
Eternal Connections is a mechanism we created to introduce new design opportunities and solve wearable problems. EC works by simply aligning the mechanism, sliding them into place, and locking down the clasp. The finger will hold the clasp down, preventing it from coming undone. To install EC, a jeweler will need to align the rings how they wish to be worn, deciding whether a gap or a flush fitting is preferred. The jeweler will mark off, make 2 cuts, and then solder EC into place. After blending and polish, the rings are ready to be worn.
For me, a perfect solution. So easy to use. Now my rings can easily attach with a simple slide and no solder. EC allows me to wear my bands stress-free without the worry of keeping them aligned, but with the choice of keeping them separate. It also allows me to switch out my bands and even adding new ones to my collection.
Eternal Connections, brought to you by Visionary Jewelers.